In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over some car seat covers, some back and front seat covers. And these are like a universal type seat cover. And it looks like it's from the company Well-Do. How about the Well-Do car seat covers? And these are in black. And I'll show you exactly what they look like. It looks like you get a little set of instructions here. And if you've ever put on seat covers before, it's pretty self-explanatory on how these things work. You have like a left and a right, and then they just slide on the bottom, and then you go on the headrest like that. So it's not that hard. I won't go much over the instructions. So what I'm going to do is, let's just go ahead and take them out of this bag right here. You get these little things. I will show you guys what all this stuff does once they get installed. But let's just look over the seat itself. It's a nice leather looking feel to them. Wow, this thing looks awesome. And it looks like it has a little bit of this coating, like some plastic little bead coating. That goes on the headrest right there. So these are the front, and it looks like that's probably some sort of barrier in between, and these must be the back. So let me go ahead. I've got my car over here. Let me go ahead, set these things up, and then I'll come back and I'll let you guys know how hard it was to put it on or how easy it is. But no matter what, I'll break it down for you. So let's do that now. Okay, there it is, everybody. I just installed them. I'm going to go over with y'all and show you exactly what I did. So you got to unzip this top part right here, slide the headrest out, and then slide it back down. You put the cover on the headrest. You can see now I have a little smaller headrest, so they don't fit as well as probably a bigger one, but look how good all this fit. This was awesome. I love how they did that stitching around like that. And then you're going to use these little hooks. Let me actually show you the hooks and show you how they did it. Oh, while I'm back here, I'll show you the back. So look, there's a back seat cover. Now, once again, I have smaller headrests, so it don't cover the full-on headrest. I don't even have a middle one, but the middle one would be like right here, and that's what that one is. And then these little hooks are the ones I'm showing you. Now, those are going to go on the front of the seat. You don't use them on the back, and they just kind of hook on and then hook underneath. Now, these things were very interesting. I've never actually seen these puck things, and the way they work is you basically get the loop, and then you thread that loop. I don't want to pull on it too hard, but you can thread that loop through these, and that's what holds the whole seat together. That was some of the simplest way. That is a genius way of actually holding the seat. It's actually holding all of this. If you look down in there, what I did, I threaded this back seat and just threaded that down in there, and then you slide it down there, and look how it actually holds all this bottom part. And so that's held in place, and then this right here is a cover that goes over the center. There's a cover that goes over the middle. The back looks really good. I really like. And this was another genius thing that I liked. See this? An actual little slip in. It's kind of like a pressure fit. You see how it just kind of pressure fits in there right up under the seat. These things are just pressure fitted in, no hooking or anything. See how that just slides in there, and once you kick them in, it's little pressure fits all the way around. That's pretty cool. Same way on the passenger side here. You can see how nice this looks. And by the way, this adds a little bit of waterproofing and extra padding to your seat. So if you've got a seat that maybe, you know, is cloth seat like in this car here, this adds a little bit of waterproofing. So, and then I like because it makes a cooler kind of feel to the seat. It's more like a leather feel. You can see how the top looks right there and how it runs down. The stitching on this is done very well. Everybody, this is something I recommend for anyone that has an older model car and the seats are starting to look a little rough and they just need to upgrade them to make them look just more of a premium look and feel to them. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Well-Do, you know, premium seat covers. See you on the next video.